Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to split one column into multiple columns in Excel. First, open your Excel file and highlight the column that contains the combined data. This could be names, dates, or any information separated by spaces, commas, or other symbols. Next, go to the Data tab at the top of the screen. Look for the group called Data Tools and click the button that says Text to Columns. This opens a small setup window. Select the option called Delimited, then click Next. This tells Excel that the data in your column is separated by a specific character. On the next screen, choose the symbol that splits your data. For example, if the words are separated by spaces, check the space box. If they are separated by commas, select comma. As you make your choice, you will see a preview of how your data will look. Click Next one more time. Here, you can choose how each new column should be formatted. The default setting, General, works for most cases and keeps the original formatting. If everything looks correct in the data preview, simply click Finish. Excel instantly separates the data into individual columns. Each piece now appears in its own cell, making your sheet cleaner and easier to use. That's it. Thanks for watching.